Hi there, welcome back to new video of this channel. So today in this video I am going to create a navbar using HTML and CSS. So let's get started. I am in the VS Code and I have created two files with the name nav.html and nav.css. So quickly add the start code of HTML and in the title tag change the document to the navbar, and in the body create a one div with the class name, let's say nav, and inside the div add a ul element, another list element in which I add a list element. These li tag represent the option in the navbar like home, about us page, contact us page. So I copy this and paste it 5 times and change the text here to services, and this to, let's say, contact, and add a about us, and finally add a privacy. Okay, now I want to show you how our website look now. So go to the live server, and here is the result. So it is not looking good now, only we add css on it. So let's go to css file. Now first we have to link our css file to our html file. So write the link tag and in the href write nav.css. So now in the css add a universal selector and set the margin to 0 and padding to 0. This will remove the padding and margin from the entire website. So let's see the result here. You can see now margin and padding has been removed. So now let's style the other element. So now target a list items by writing here li and set the float property to right. This will change the direction of the list elements to the row, and now you can see here. Now set the list style to the none. This will remove the circles before the text, and also set the padding to, let's say, 20 px. Now see the result, and here it is, looking good. And now we have to change its font family. So change the padding to the 26 px and font family to, let's say, sans serif. Now I want to add one more li atom which will be our logo, and I will place the logo in the left direction. So open the VS Code and add li atom. I don't want at the start. Cut this and paste this at the end, and write text here, let's say digital, and give the id of a logo. Now you can see it is appear here. It should be in left direction, so add css to it. Target this by adding hash logo and set its position to relative, and move to the right. From its position we will move to right. So write the property to 20 vw, change the value. So 60 VW is the value for its aligning, and set its font to bolder so that it look like a logo. Now I want to add hover effect, so that when we move cursor on the li atoms, our li atoms color should be changed, or any other feature we will add. So let's target this by adding li hover and set the cursor to the pointer and set the color to the half white. So it is working. When our pointer go on the atom li atom, it is showing the half white color, which provides a good user interface. Now we can change the background color of the whole nav div. You remember that I have added a nav class in the div. So let's target that nav and sets its background color to blue. You can see nothing is shown in the website because our website does not contain any width or height. So first we should define the height and width of div. Let's go to VS Code and set its width to 100%. and height to 5 vh. Okay, let's see the result. And here it is. So height should be 10 vh, so correct this. And now see the result. Now it is looking good. Now we can add hover effect so that our li atoms appear white when our cursor goes on it. So set the color to the white, and here it is. Now it is looking good. You can see when we move the cursor towards li atom, it is displaying the color quickly. So to avoid this, we have to add transition property, which will provide the delay in providing a hover color. So let's add the transition property to the point of 5 seconds in li atom. So that's all for today. By following this method, you can create a simple navbar using HTML and CSS. Subscribe this channel for more coding videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.